Today we are removing the high-voltage battery of a Honda vehicle for a service. So this is the service that was done. The owner himself told us that the EVs of the vehicle have low range and very poor fuel efficiency. So we started the work by checking the scan data. So you can see how much dust and dirt are stuck in the battery cells. In addition to this, the blower fan was also full of hair and dust. Also, remember to take care of the battery performance of your Honda or Toyota or hybrid vehicle, and always take great care of the cleanliness inside the vehicle. Look at this converter part, full of dust. When dust gets stuck between these splines, it overheats because it cannot vent the airflow. So we completely cleaned all 4 cell packs in this one by one. Now it is like a new one. Come to our company to have your hybrid vehicle's battery maintenance and service done in this way. We are Maxwell Automobiles, Harana. 0774242262.